By 2050, our planet's population will reach nearly 10 billion. As food demand rises, so does the use of harmful pesticides and the risk of foodborne illnesses like salmonella and E. coli.
The spate of recent food poisoning cases
Athletes
nationwide.
affected by food
Breaking
poisoning.
news now about yet another deadly E. coli outbreak.
Outbreak linked to some California red onion.
Families everywhere face an urgent question. How can we ensure the safety and quality of the food we eat? Traditional cleaning methods, thermal processing and chemicals often fall short, leaving harmful residues behind or damaging the nutritional value of food. Introducing Arthur Sun's Plasma Detox Wellness Oven, a groundbreaking technology that transforms how we protect our food and our families. This state-of-the-art device removes pesticides, bacteria, and viruses, all in just 3 to 5 minutes. Plasma technology has long been used in industries, primarily for surface cleaning and semiconductor manufacturing. But now, for the first time in the world, we bring this most advanced plasma technology to your kitchen, revolutionizing food safety and detoxification. With its patented dual plasma technology and AI-powered material detection, this oven intelligently identifies the food type and applies the ideal detoxification process using both cold and hot plasma, ensuring maximum safety and effectiveness. Backed by over 10 years of research, 28 prototypes, and validation from leading institutions like Taiwan's Food Industry Research and Development Institute, the Plasma Detox Wellness Oven is the first of its kind in the world. Whether you're a busy parent, a restaurant owner, or someone passionate about clean eating, the Plasma Detox Wellness Oven fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Take the first step toward a healthier lifestyle today. For more info, visit us at arthursun.com. Because healthy is wealth, and your family deserves the best.